Continuing my the nature talk series. Okay, the best message what the nature gave to me today is we have to accept everything as it is. Okay, acceptance. Okay, nature taught me the power of acceptance. Nature taught me vibrance. Nature taught me patience, and now nature is teaching me acceptance. Okay, when we accept the things as they are, people as they are, situations as they are, and 100% of a problem perish. Because when we don't accept things, we start blaming. Okay, when we accept, there will be less judgment. According to me, I was doing a research on mind and law of attraction. Okay, I came to know that 90% of our thoughts are judgmentals, judgments. We always think of others. We always judge people. We always judge the circumstances, why that has become like that, why my past was like that. So due to that past, due to that bad past, I'm suffering. Due to those people, I'm suffering. Since I spoke to them, I'm suffering. The moment they come, I'm suffering. Okay, we keep on judging people, which will not take us anywhere. Okay, we need everyone. Okay, there are good people, there are bad people, you know that is a different subject. But the major thing is when we accept. Okay, the acceptance is more powerful. Okay, we will be doing some work, so we will get a failures. Okay, we need to accept the failures. Okay, when we accept it, we can analyze it rather than blaming. Okay, so if we blame, majority times we blame on ourselves, and we don't move from there. Okay, we just stop there. If we accept it, even after that failure, we will start moving. So journey of success always begins with our movement. We should not stop anywhere, because there will be lots and lots of humps in a way to success. The humps like greed, the humps like non acceptance of the reality. Okay, we want success tomorrow. Okay, if you get success very instant, the success, you know it will not be that much worth. You cannot enjoy that instant success. The success that comes out of hard work, you will cherish it, you will enjoy it. Okay, so friends, we have to accept the things as it is, the people as they are, because nature accepts everything. Nature will not judge anything. Okay, nature will not blame on anyone. Nature accepts everything. So, acceptance. When we accept people as they are, okay, we will be not having any opinions on them. So, okay, there will be some people who are too irritational. Okay, when they speak, it will be like an irritating thing. It is their behavior. We have to accept it. Okay, if you start blaming on them, and if you start judging and passing the comments, we are going to lose our peace. If you want to stay there, stay with that person. If you doesn't want to stay with that person, you can leave, and we can keep moving. No need to passing the judgments and comments. Okay, that's what we have to focus on. Our life is very, very short, friends. Okay, we need to focus on only the things what we want. Okay, so when in that journey of life, in the journey of a life, we have to focus on only the things that give joy to us, happiness to us. Okay, so by thinking like that, our joy and happiness will get multiplied. it will keep increasing. So accepting the things as they are and people as they are, 99, not 99, 100% of a problem will perish, and we can have peace within ourselves. So this is the best lesson that I learned from nature, and that is acceptance. So thank you all. You can see once again the beautiful hills behind me, and also the greenery, the rice, the paddy. Okay, so due to the heavy rainfall, they are putting a lot of paddy here. Okay, and that is my favorite hills there behind me. In the morning, I always make myself, after my cup of coffee, I come in the nature, I sit and watch in the nature, and I get some messages. Okay, as I said for you, when the problem arrives, when the problem comes to me, I don't consult anyone. Okay, uh, as I said for you, I either go to the river bank, sit and watch the water flowing, I get solution to my problem. And also sitting in natural spots like this, okay, just observing the mountains and greeneries around me, the solution will come to me. So for me, the nature is my best teacher, guide, and my best friend. Right from my young age, this is one of the best habit that I cultivated, and this habit was cultivated to me by my father Sinappa, because wherever we go, there used to be a lot of nature. Okay, in Baswanagudi, from Tata Silk Forum to KR Market, there were lots and lots of trees on the road. Okay, it was like a mini jungle on the KR road. Everywhere there were lots and lots of trees. The moment you take your head up, you used to, there will be, you cannot see any clouds, only trees you can see. Okay, so I was born and brought up in such a environment. The Bugle Rock in Baswanagudi, where we used to go on every Saturdays and Sundays, okay, to learn mathematics. And Bugle Rock is also one of the best place, surrounded by huge trees. So like that, it is a part of my habit to be with nature, and I always love nature. My great gratitude is nature. So friends, let us protect the nature, and let us protect this Mother Earth. And this is the best gift what we can give to our future generation. I request all the YouTube vloggers to make a vlog on the Mother Nature, and there I know how they were influenced by nature, and what is the message what is the message the nature gave to them. Okay, and also a small message that we should pass to protect nature, to plant more trees, water them, and see them. You can see a big tree behind me. See how beautiful it is. Somebody has planted the tree. Today, if it is very hot sun, okay, when we stand in the shade of the tree, we get coolness, and we get lot and lots of oxygen. So like that, friends, let us take a pledge to protect nature, save nature. Thank you all. Please subscribe to my channel, Vishala Rudayi Bharati. And I also request each and every one of you, please make a video on nature, and also talk about nature, and also tell people, spread the message of protecting our nature. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much.